Need to download a custom CAD model today? With LJ Star's new online catalog, you can find, configure, and download a custom product built on the fly. Let's check it out. On LJ Star's website, click Start Now to access the online configurator, or click the tab 3D CAD Catalog. On the left, choose the product you'd like to configure. Then, customize your part to fit your design using the drop-down options while the configurator builds your product on the fly. The configurator also creates an interactive 3D preview of your designed part as it will appear in your virtual design. Once you're happy with your part, click the CAD Download tab, enter your email, and click the CAD Download button. Here, you can choose from over 100 file formats and versions to download your part as a native CAD file, and you'll receive a 3D PDF datasheet that you can share with the whole team. Click Start Download to receive your free 3D CAD model. Now you can test that part directly in your virtual application and get back to designing. It's that easy. Thanks for watching. For more great parts, visit ljstar.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn how your company can improve your digital customer experience too.